don't know what I was recording. You must have pushed it.
Oh, power in their teeth, isn't there? Just to show how well behaved my dogs are, that you can sit with the camera up his nose and I can handle his food.
Mm.
You got your chicken, can you?
Eating the leg off.
A lot of power, isn't it?
Mm. Get that lovely soft breast. Let's just crunch on the bones. The little one's chewed on the bones though.
Notice how he'll growl at Kenya for being too close. But he won't growl at us.
Hmm. We're not trying to grab his food though. Maybe he understands that we don't like eating raw chicken. Done a pretty good job on that chicken. There's still a little bit left, eh? Ah, that was good. Oh no, there's still some meat. And that was a whole chicken, is now just a leg. Kenya, how are you going? You've eaten your legs off the old chicken, haven't you? Your chicken story's just a little bit longer, isn't it?
Oh, and there it goes. A dog eating an entire chicken.
That's good, isn't it? What do you think, Shopka? Is there any more? Nope, that's it.
It's all gone. It's
You're
all
full?
gone. There's no chicken left, buddy. You've
You're
eaten the entire chicken.
You full, Shopka? Hey? What does your breath smell like?
Nice fresh chicken. How's yours going, Kenya?
Kenya?
You're a good boy.
Those flies are competing for the chicken, aren't they? You've eaten the legs and the wings. Looking like a bit of a fluffy dog at the moment.
Kenya, you gonna eat your chicken? Oh, Shelfer could get it, huh? Hey Shelfer, you're looking at Kenya's chicken. You're looking at Kenya's chicken. How dare those flies try and come anywhere near my chicken.
Dang those flies.
Oh, you smell so yummy, Shelter. You smell good. You smell like tea tree oil. You do. You do.
Still got a leg left, girl. Mmm.
Do not like those flies trying to eat my chicken.
Give us a smile, Katie.